Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Web. If you're seeing the DirectX 12 is not supported on your system error while trying to play Marvel Rivals, here's how to fix it. First, check if your PC supports DirectX 12. Press Windows R, type DXDIAG and hit enter in the dialog. In the DirectX diagnostic tool, check the DirectX version listed at the bottom of the System tab. If it's not DirectX 12, you have hardware may not be compatible and you will need to upgrade. Next, ensure your graphic drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, light with your GPU, and select Update Driver. Alternatively, download the latest drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website. If your hardware supports DirectX 12 but the error persists, update your Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Updates, and install any available updates to ensure compatibility. Finally, modify the game settings. Right-click the Marvel Rivals shortcut to go to Properties and add the launch option DX11 to force the game use DirectX 11 instead of 12. Thank you for watching How to Win. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more solutions.